Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally here with another planner video. I have been dying to unbox my main 2024 planner, which is my Sterling Ink Common Planner in the B6 size, but there were some delays with it getting into my hands. I finally got it and then I got sick and I couldn't make a video, and I didn't want to unbox it without showing you guys my genuine reaction to it, because I have the original Common Planner from her first group of Common Planners that went out, and I really wanted to compare what the difference was and share my thoughts with you guys. If you are new here, hi, my name is Dia. I'm a photographer now living in Arizona, and I mainly do content about productivity and planners, and lately I've been sharing a bit more of my personal life with you guys, which has been a lot of fun. So thank you for everybody who has said kind words. I would love to keep sharing the other parts of my life with you as well. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this planner because my son is coming over and I need to hurry up and get this recorded before he gets here. If you haven't seen this before, this is my Vanderspec VDS Janet undyed leather in the B6 size, and it is aging beautifully. I love this cover. It is a little bit tight because I got it when the Common Planner first came out, and if I had it to do all over again, I would have made it slightly taller and maybe a little bit wider. This cover that originally came with the Common Planner is really flimsy, so I went ahead and put in this cardboard here to make it easier for it to slide in and out, because before it would kind of bend every time I tried to put it in there. But other than that, this cover has been wonderful. I normally use a Platinum Preppy fountain pen, but I switched back to one of my Kakuno pens because I don't know if it's my ink, I don't know if it's the drier weather or what it is, but my pen has been drying out on me lately. So I switched back to my Kakuno, and I forgot how much I loved this scratchy little nib, but I've really been enjoying that. So this is my planner. You can see that the spine is bending a little. I don't really put anything inside of this besides writing, so it's not very bulked up. I did see a picture of her planners without the gilded edges, and for a minute I thought, man, I probably should have ordered one without the gilded edges because it just looks so clean and crisp. But I think I'm really gonna like the way this one looks on my bookshelf after a while, and especially after I collect a few of them, because I very much plan on using this planner for as long as she's making them. Okay, let me take a look at the new planner. It came in this box. If you watched my previous moving video, you know that I almost missed out on this planner because I moved right at the time it was being mailed to me, and I didn't get a chance to give her my new address, and the post office, even though I did a forwarding address, still sent it to my old address, and my husband was still in California, so he found it in the mail room, not even locked up, in our old apartment complex. So here it is. It came in this box here. He had to mail it to me here so that I could have it. It came in that box. It came bubble wrapped. I think when I got it last year, it had a little bit of a dent in the box, to no fault of Sterling Ink. I think it just got pretty beat up on its way to me. This isn't the same kind of box as last year. Last year it was like an actual box with a lid, but I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and honestly, I don't even have that other box anymore. I don't really keep them around, so that's not a big deal to me. It comes with a card and a couple of her stickers. I'm sure you guys have seen so many of these unboxings by now. I am so late in the game on this, but this is so pretty and simple and elegant. Oh, I completely forgot. I got a different color this year. It is so pretty. I completely forgot that I ordered this in this caramel brown color and not in black again. Oh, this is so pretty. She didn't have the linen in black again, and I didn't really care for this cover in black, so I went ahead and got brown because I thought that it would match this planner really well. I kind of actually don't like how it looks together, but it's okay. I'm gonna still use it. I was torn between getting this one and the blue one, and I ended up with this one. I think the blue one might have been a really good accent color for that, but I'm glad I picked this very neutral, beautiful color. So here's the two side by side. Here they are. This is how much these pages have kind of floofed up, again, with really not any stickers or pictures or anything like that. I just mainly plan with pen and paper. It's the same size. Same gold foiling on the back and on the front. And the one thing I was looking forward to was a stronger cover, and you can tell this cover is strong, but it's still really like floppy too. I like that. That's really nice. This one was too floppy. I ended up putting a piece of paper on the front to make it a little more stiff. And this is kind of just, it's really thin. So this is a lot thicker. I don't know if you can see the difference, but this cover is a lot thicker. The other thing that I was really looking forward to is a darker grid line, and it is darker. There's not too many blank pages left in the year. I'm actually worried that I'm gonna run out before the end of the year, but then again, I'll probably start using this in December. I don't know if you can tell, the paper looks same exact color, gorgeous, soft, buttery paper, and the grid is a little bit darker. Not like a whole ton darker, honestly, but it is darker. I have old eyes, guys, and it was starting to get hard to see the grid lines. Yeah, it's a bit darker. The numbers definitely, you can tell, are a little bit darker. And the other thing I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not is these numbers, because now there's no line dividing these. The numbers are on the line. And let me see. I do this thing where I draw a line for the time period that I'm doing something. And now I guess that line will probably go right across the numbers. I could still move it over one line, but it'll probably go across these numbers. So I'm curious how I'm gonna like the numbers being on the line instead of to the side of the line. I'm pretty sure I'll get used to it real quick. Okay, let me see if there's anything different. I love the way this feels. Honestly, I don't flip through too many of these beginning pages. It has the quarterly section. I ended up not really using this section last year, and it makes me kind of sad because I wish I would have used it more. I used it once, and then that was it because I didn't like the way it looked. I think if I can find a setup of how people do their quarterly planning or whatever with this section, their goals, I would love to see some ideas. So if you guys have seen any videos or have a video yourself, please leave it down below so that I can check out what you guys are doing with this area, because I need some inspiration. This is still going to be my miracle morning, which I will admit to you guys, ever since I moved, I have completely fallen off. I haven't tracked at all. I tried the other day to start again, but I'm struggling. I'm struggling so hard to start a new routine in my new home. And I think it's mainly because my husband is still bouncing back and forth between California and Arizona. And I just haven't had the motivation to really start my life here without him. Okay, monthly pages. All pretty much looks the same. And then there's the weeklies. And when does this thing start? This starts in December, but I don't think the weekly pages start until January. So let me see. It's December to December. And then the weekly pages start, oh, actually it's December to January. And then the weekly pages start January 1st. I would love to start planning in this in December, but I don't like planning without my weeklies. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and wait until January, but I am running out of daily pages in this. Every day I have a to-do list, what I eat, what my fitness is, which has been blank for the past month. And then I do my journaling. But at the end of these pages here, these last few pages, I had done some journaling. I planned on doing every month of the year, which I didn't end up doing. I wanted to do like a recap of each month, and I did January, I did February, and then that was it. Actually, no, wait. I did December, and then I did January, and then I just stopped after that. I might go through and finish this and get some pictures off of my phone and write like a little recap of what we did each month. And in the back here, I had these tracker pages, which I completely regret putting in here because I stopped using them. From now on, if I do something like this, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my personal rings planner, which is my new supplemental planner to this one. And it'll house stuff like this. So I don't regret doing this, but I regret taking up these pages because I have it's the end of October right now, and I still have November and December, and I don't think I have 60 pages left. At the end of December, I might have to go ahead and use my ring planner as my supplemental planner and then maybe journal in my traveler's notebook or something. I think I'm gonna finish this. That's gonna be a little project to complete by the end of the year, and I probably will do this in my new planner too. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys my unboxing of this. It was really hard not to open it up until I was able to do it with you guys, and I'm really excited to get it all prepped for next year. I'm not sure how or what I'm gonna do this year. I had my intentions at the beginning last year, and like I said, all of that kind of goes into my personal ring planner now. I don't think I'm gonna be putting any of that stuff in here. I also did this current me and future me, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that in there again this year. I think I need to start watching some videos for inspiration on how to prep this planner, so I'm excited to do that. And I would love to hear what you guys are thinking of your planner. I do have a few other planners coming. Some I might use, some are planned for my husband, one is planned for my daughter, and I can't wait to share those ones with you guys. But for me, I just love the Sterling Ink Common Planner. Besides the Hobonichi, it is my favorite planner. And I know she had so many different sizes, and it took everything in me to not order a bunch of different sizes just to have them, because this is my main planner and I know I will continue to use this the same way I did last year. This is my 2024 Common Planner in the B6 size. I did get the full year. Oh, you know what? Really quick. Let's see how it fits in here. And I'm curious if I'm gonna need that or not. I don't think I'll need that anymore. Oh yeah, that slid in there really easily. This one wouldn't slide in there that easily. It would get hung up. And then I had both of these tucked into the cover. I'm not gonna do that again either, probably. I'll probably keep it like this. And you guys can see how close my pen is. That's why I would have gotten it a little wider. But I like the way it's gonna look in here. It's weird to see the gilded edges so clean and pretty again, because this is them now. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what I'll be using in 2024. What are you guys using in 2024? How are you setting it up? I would love to know, especially the quarterly pages in the front. I need some inspiration. So if you guys have any videos out there, go ahead and leave them down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, make sure you hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Also, this is from Little Ravens Ink.